The three most important qualities that you need in a divorce attorney are focus, personality, and common sense. So when we talk about focus, what I mean is how much does your attorney actually do divorce? And so some attorneys will practice in multiple practice areas. Even within family law, there are multiple practice areas. So there's guardianship, there's adoption, there's modifications of parental rights, there is establishment of paternity. There are a variety of different practice areas, even within family law. So even if you look for an attorney that says family law attorney, they still may have multiple practice areas that are within that family law practice area. So finding an attorney that really does a lot of what you're wanting that attorney to do, I think, is very important. The next thing that you really want is personality. So this is going to be different for everybody. You have to jive with the personality of your attorney. And so if you go and meet with an attorney and you don't feel comfortable, you're not liking them, you feel embarrassed or strange, that is not what you want. You need to feel very comfortable with that person because you're going to be doing very important work together. That's a person that you're going to be working with closely and that you're going to be depending on and relying on to get you critical results in your divorce. So you want to have a person with personality that you are compatible with. So the third important thing that you want to look for in an attorney is just common sense. And I'm not really sure how you can measure common sense in an interview, but what I do know is that I've seen attorneys get in front of a judge and waste their entire time trying to get evidence into the record that is just irrelevant. And sometimes attorneys think that for whatever reason they need to try to impress their client or impress the judge with doing certain attorney type things. And that isn't what gets a client a result. And so you need someone with some street smarts, right? That understands the way that the world works and that understands practicalities and that understands how to bridge the gap between what the rules are and knowing how to work the rules in your favor. And so that kind of common sense is something that not everyone has. And you just have to try to talk to the attorney that you're considering hiring and determine, does this person seem like they really can do what they're saying that they can do for me?